Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fantastic find that's sure to meet your needs for storage and convenience. The best empty 2-liter bottles on the market. If you're looking for versatile containers that can handle anything from homemade juices to crafting projects, stay tuned as we explore the 64 ounces. Empty HDPE plastic juice and milk bottles with tamper-evident caps by AM Bottle Supply. These bottles come in a convenient set of 6, ensuring you have enough space for all your liquids, whether it's fresh juice, sauces, or even sensory play materials for the kids. Made from high-quality HDPE plastic, these bottles are durable and designed to last, making them a reliable choice for anyone in need of a good container. The clear design allows you to easily see what's inside, and the tamper-evident caps provide peace of mind, ensuring that your contents are secure and protected from any unwanted access. Each bottle holds 64 ounces, or 4 pounds, making them perfect for large batches of your favorite drinks. One of the standout features of these bottles is their versatility. Whether you're packing drinks for a picnic or storing homemade sauces, these bottles can do it all. The easy snap-on lids make pouring and sealing a breeze, and the square bottom design allows for space-saving storage in your fridge or pantry. Parents will love these bottles for their practical applications in children's lunches, allowing for healthy homemade juices to be taken on the go. Plus, they're disposable, safe, and recyclable, crafted from BPA-free plastic that ensures your family's health is a top priority. But wait, there's more. These bottles are not just for liquids. They make for fantastic crafting supplies. With large openings, they can be filled with beads, glitter, and other fun materials, allowing kids to express their creativity. Imagine the school projects and fun art sessions you could have with these. They are ideal for crafting personalized gifts or unique decorations around the house. Your children can use markers to design their own bottles, making each one special and unique. Storing these bottles is easy thanks to their efficient design. The square shape allows them to fit snugly together, maximizing your storage space. Whether you're storing them in a kitchen cupboard, taking them on a trip, or packing them for an outdoor event, they take up minimal room while still providing plenty of capacity. And for those eco-conscious consumers, the recyclable nature of these bottles means you can use them with confidence, knowing you're making a responsible choice for the environment. In summary, the 64 ounces. Empty HDPE plastic juice and milk bottles with tamper-evident caps by AM Bottle Supply stand out as the best empty 2-liter bottles available. With their sturdy construction, versatile applications, and creative potential, these bottles are a fantastic addition to any home. If you're looking for a reliable way to store liquids or want to get crafty, this product is definitely worth considering. For just $21.29 for a set of 6, they provide incredible value for what you get. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great product reviews. Let us know in the comments how you would use these bottles in your everyday life. Until next time, happy storing and crafting.